What is up, everybody? Today I'm gonna walk the dogs. I just got back home from school. Come on, Riley. Come on, Riley. Come on. And they're all ready. Let's go. There we go. Let's go. Come on, Ozzy. Oh, God. Come on. So we are going for a walk. Riley's over there. Now, I know you guys haven't seen me walk my dogs. Okay, you never actually walk your dogs. Well, I do. There's proof. Riley, come back. So, I know I'm pointing at the floor because I'm like trying to pay attention to Riley at the same time. So, give me a second. They know not to go in this yard. Let's see. Proof. Perfect. Look at that. Didn't even go in that yard. He didn't. Look, Ollie. Ollie is so shiny on this camera. Oh, beautiful. So, we're gonna do like at least 5 laps from what I do. I can't really go across the stop sign, but you know, special event. Marley's still over there. Marley always like goes afar from us, but I go to this new school. It's called Newell. They rebuilt the school, and now I am in trailers in 5th grade. I know you don't want to hear about that, but I'm gonna skip that. If you do, please comment down below. If you don't, just like the video. I don't care. Marley's still over there. Marley, come back! Come back, Marley! Okay, he's not coming back. Ollie's still sniffing the flower. Look at that. Pathetic. How could he? Go on, Marley. Alright. Come on, Ollie. So, I don't know what that is. But whatever. So, I have my poop back on the leash. I have my nice shoes on. Ollie's still walking around. Marley, come back. So we're actually gonna go this way a little bit. Is that a cat? No, you can't see it, but it might be a cat right there. Oh well. So we're gonna walk over this way if I can get them rounded up. Come on. Marley, come on. Come on, Ozzy. Marley, go across the street. Marley, go across the street. It's good. Marley, go across the street. Alright, he always waits. Might be a bad thing, but I don't know. Tell me if it is. See, Nigel Crow and never mind. So we are slowly getting to our destination. Marley, come back around. Come on. Okay. I'll go where you are. Okay. So shiny. What are you doing, Marley? What is wrong with you? What? Okay, whatever. So I know you don't want to see dogs pee this whole video. So we're actually going to wander around, probably look for Willow. Willow's a cat. See, there's one right there. I'm not joking. There's literally cats all over here. There's one right there. Anyways, we might see the husky around here. Maybe not. Would be good footage if we did. I guess not today then. Well, there's not a cat over there. Just a cat right there. See? I can't. Ollie, stop. See, there's a kitty right there. Marley's way down. Marley, come back. Ah, Marley. Marley's already hustling along. I might come back here just to see the cat. I might film it later too. But right now it's not the time because this video is already long enough. So I'm going to end the video right when I get back home. Just saying, it's pretty long. It's what I do on long walks. Long walks, long field trip. So I'm going to go, probably I'm going to stop by to see if I can pet the cat. Don't judge me petting neighborly cats, but I am. I'm friendly. Friendly enough. And I don't know what that is. It's scary at night. So I'm going to turn back around because might be getting a little bit too far. Ah! Come back around this way. Marley! Marley! Stop it, Ozzy. Who's he smelling? Come on, Ozzy. Look, Marley. Come on, Marley. Come on. There goes Marley once again. So I don't need Marley on a leash because he listens and walks on his own. I need Ollie on a leash because he'll chase Marley. Come back. I take that back. So I need Ollie on a leash. Look at him. Look at him. He does this everywhere. Everywhere. He's on the sidewalk now. Ollie's really pulling me. Come on. You don't need to smell anything over here. Come on, Marley. Get up. He's happy to actually walk around. Because Marley doesn't really get to go out much. He's old. That cat's still sitting right there. I don't want to go over there now. Because, I have dogs. And dogs equal cat is not a good sign. Ollie doesn't even see it yet. That's good. Marley, come back. Why is Marley all the way over there? So, we're walking back, all the way back home. Ollie's still right there. Marley's way over there. I guess Marley wants to get home to the water first before Ollie. Because I heard my mom said that they have this drinking routine where they actually drink water one at a time. Because he's pooping. Don't want to see that. Okay. So I don't care that much. Okay, let's go. No offense. I know, I just picked up dog poop a second ago. Come on. Stop doing whatever you're doing. Come on, Marley. Happy puppy. Walkie puppy. Happy puppy. Dog. So, we are almost there. Don't mind looking to the ground. It's just happening. Come on, Ozzy. Marley, come back. Marley. Marley, come back. Come here, Marley. Come on. So, yeah, about the school thing. Yeah, I literally just got out of school from my bus. And now I am right back here. Thank heavens I was not the last one on the bus. That is a very good thing. And this is the danger zone right here. There's other dogs over here. Scares me. But see, Marley, come back. See if we get through this quick. Marley, come on. Marley, come on. We're going across the street. It's easier. Come on, Marley. Come on. Dogs walking the street. Marley's. Marley, come back. Good boy. See, happy puppy. So they know not to go in there. Better not do it. Don't do it, Marley. Marley, no. No. Off. Down. Go. Oh, Marley's a scary cat. So, okay. We're almost home. The video's about to end because this was longer than expected. Almost there. There's my house. So close, yet so far. Whoa! Always barking at people. Marley, don't you dare. And we are home. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!